Standard upper machine head calibrate. Please note all disassembly steps while maintenance. There are 2 pieces M6 screws behind the ceramic plates. Use Allen key number 5 to remove these 2 screws. Check the surface if any dust or impurity on it. Please clean the surface with care. Also, the other parts need to clean accordingly. Done. Start to assemble those parts to origin. Fix all screws one by one, then next to upper machine head, calibrate. General speak, calibrate upper MC head will be needed. If meet any crash or new exchange to do. Start to calibrate the upper MC head. Remove the cap of flushing nozzle and use dial gauge to measure. Check a grinded plane where beneath the lower machine head. Check y-axis direction firstly. The key is to calibrate accuracy. Make the probe touch the surface about 40 mm and at 0 return the indicator and moving along with y-axis, repeating to travel at same axis direction and doing error comparison. Handle the principle to keep a fixed error adjustment by specific copper plastic block to knock at upper machine head in wall plane. 3 ways. C-type until meeting the standard. Calibrating axis direction is finished. Next to y-axis direction. Alt target is controlling the error with 50 mm plus minus 0.05 mm in wall plane. Lower MC head calibrate.